Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to post video on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, launch it. Then on the screen, you can see there are a few options at the bottom like live, video, chats, and me. Now tap on video. And then on the top right corner, you can see a pencil-like icon. Tap on it. Then you have to select the video you want to upload, crop it or leave it as it, and press and done. It's gonna take a few seconds. Then you have to type in what's in your mind or about that video. You can add title to your video. You can mention your friends, add emoji, your location, or you can post in community. Once you give in all the details, you have to tap on post on the top right corner of the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you post a video on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.